Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome, wagwan. So today's video is going to be a wig styling for Wow African. And so you see me have on my wig cap and my hair is braided back. So this wig is a Brazilian silky straight wig. It is 18 inches. And as you can see, I bleached the knots and already cut the lace. So I'm just going to put on the wig just to see how it's looking in its natural form. So as I said before, I bleached the knots and cut the lace. So this is how it's looking. I'm just aligning the hair with my natural hairline and deciding if I want to create some baby hairs. I am not the best at creating baby hairs on a wig, so we're gonna just try a thing to see how it's going to look. So I'll be using a little bit of got to be glue, and this is just so the wig stays in place. It's actually snug enough. It's not the tightest, but I will just be using a little bit of got to be glue just so the hair stays in place. Now that the wig is secured, I'm just going to try to create the baby hair. So I'm just going to use this rat tail comb and separate a little bit of hair in the front. Not too much because you don't want it to look like actual adult hair. It's called baby hair. So I'm just going to take scissors and cut the front a little bit so that it's easier to swoop. So to create the baby hairs, you can either use got to be glue or edge control or mousse. So either of those three or just about anything else you could practically use that lays hair. So the same that I did to the other side, I'm going to do to this side. Use the scissors and swoop to be swoop. And the front is not the absolute best, but guys, don't worry, you'll see how I fix it in the end. So after creating the baby hairs, I'm just gonna tie down my edges for a little bit while I do my makeup. So sometimes my edges don't come out that great when I tie down, but we're gonna fix it up. So after removing the head tie, this is how the hair is looking. The front is not the absolute best, but it's laid and it's snug, so that's perfect. And I'm just, instead of a center part, I'm just gonna create it into a side part, but not a perfect side part, just one that's flipped over. And I prefer the hair this way. It looks so much better. It's so pretty. So the details for the hair will be in my description box down below. As I said before, it's 18 inches and the link and details will be below for you guys. And this is after I wash the hair. The hair is not flat iron, so it's just in its natural state and it's so silky and pretty. Okay guys, so the final touch is to add mousse for the flyaways, and this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed as yet, go on ahead and subscribe down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damnthatschef. I'll see you on the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.